This is Sharon Lim from sharingitwithyou.blogspot.com. I made these treats for craft fairs. This one was for Thanksgiving, and this one was for Halloween. And it pulls a little mini Hershey's chocolate bar. And today I'm going to show you how to make the Christmas version of this. First, you want to start out with a piece of cardstock, which is 3 inches by 6 inches. And then you want to score it at 1/4 inch, 5/8 of an inch, 1 3/4, 2 1/8, and 3 1/4. And I drew the lines on this white sample so you can actually see what it looks like. I'll bring back the green version. Then you're going to take your tear and tape and actually apply it to the very top part of your cardstock. And you want to fold along all the score lines. So it looks like this. Then you're going to take a piece of DSP that measures 1 inch by 2 7/8, and you want to adhere it to the first wide section that you made. Then you're going to take a hole punch and actually punch that wide space and then the second wide space. And what it looks like is like the original one that I showed you. Oops, there you go, the template. Then you're going to take off the tear and tape. It's a little wide, so I like to push some of the adhesive down. Lay it flat, tuck under the sticky part, and smash it down, because this is what you're going to end up with, this shape. Then you're going to take a piece of ribbon that's 12 inches long, and you're going to thread it through both holes. So the first hole, and let me see if I can get it through the second hole. There you go. Then you're going to make it even, both ends. Stick in your candy, push it down. Then you're going to do a double knot. Then you're going to take a piece of Whisper White with whatever sentiment you'd like, 2.5 by 2 3/4, and stick it on here. And you are done. It slides up and it slides down. And here's the Halloween version, the Thanksgiving version, and here is the Christmas version. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Thanks, and letting me share this with you.